How to create a portfolio with Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fully functional online portfolio website using Canva, completely for free. So Canva lets you to design professional looking websites without any coding, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So first go to the Canva website and search for portfolio website in the template search bar, and you will find a variety of free design templates to choose from. And if you don't have Canva Pro, you can filter the result by selecting free under the filter section. Now hover over to any templates to get a preview and then click on the one that you like. And once it's open, you can customize it to match your style and profession, whether you are a graphic designer, photographer, video editor, or a thumbnail creator. Now click on Customize Template to open the Canva editor, and here you can replace images by simply dragging and dropping your own images, and after that they will snap into place. You can also edit text by clicking on any text box to update it with your name, profession and details. And if you want to make it more creative, you can also change the colors by selecting the background colors and adjusting the text color and making the design on your own. You can also add or delete the pages if you don't need certain section by simply deleting them, and you can also duplicate the pages if you want to maintain a consistent design. And you can upload and insert your own very image to showcase your work. You can align the text and images neatly using Canva built-in tools. If you want a multiple pages with the same design, you can just duplicate the pages to swap out the images. And once your design is ready, you can simply click on the preview button in the top right corner, and you can check how your site looks on both desktop and mobile. And if everything looks good, you can simply share your portfolio. And Canva allows you to publish for free using a Canva domain, or you can connect a custom domain if you have one. And after this, your website will be live and fully functional, complete with smooth animation and a slick design. And that's it. Now you have just created a professional portfolio website in Canva without spending a dime. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.